Good morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Our first chapter is completed. Now I am going to start second chapter. Second chapter is also related with internet and the chapter name is Internet Services. Now, what is internet? Let's see. And what internet services is giving. The internet is a revolution in information technology. It has become a fundamental necessity to living, working, interacting, and communicating with people. The total number of users of the internet is known to be in millions. So the internet is what? It is an information technology, and the people are peoples are using internet. What necessity to living, working, and interacting or communicating with people, and so many work they are doing with an internet. So mostly all the peoples are using internet. So the total number of users of the internet is known to be in millions. This high level of connectivity encourages an unparalleled degree of communication, resource sharing, and information access. Positive use of the internet has huge advantages. The internet provides us useful data, information, and knowledge for the personal, social, and economic development, and it is up to us to utilize our time on the World Wide Web in a productive manner. So this is means what internet gives us, how we are using, what we are doing. So there are so many things we are doing. All the peoples are connected with an internet. So this is encouraging us now because we can search anything in it. If you are having internet, you can search anything, you can go anywhere. It is very easy nowadays. So the internet provides us very useful things like data, information. If you want some information or some knowledge we want about personal or some thing about we want some knowledge, internet provides us social and economic development also. So you can utilize your time with the help of World Wide Web. So now the services of internet can be categorized as, now first is communication services. Communication, you know what is communication. You are talking with people, you are interacting with people. From anywhere you can communicate. So communication services allow exchange of information between individuals or groups. So communication, you are exchanging means when you are talking, you are exchanging information to each other, or if you are talking more than one person, then also like in a group if you are talking, then you are exchanging information from one to each other. Second, information retrieval services. Information retrieval services allows easy access to information present on the internet. Like retrieval means when you will access internet, you will search something, then you will write, and you are retrieving that data from web pages. So internet helps you to find the data or find the information about the things. So that is a retrieval. You are accessing that information which you want from internet. Web services. Web services allow exchange of information between application on the web pages. You know what is web pages, you know what web services. So web services is allowing us or exchanging an information between application on the web pages, because all the informations are designed in a web page only. So if you are getting a information means you are accessing any web page only. Using web page services, applications can easily interact with each other. Fourth is World Wide Web. WWW is also known as W3. It offers a way to access documents spread over the several servers over the internet. These documents may contain like text, graphics, audio, videos and hyperlinks. Means in a world wide web, not only the documents are there, not only the text documents, you will get everything: text, graphics, audio, videos and hyperlinks. The hyperlinks, you know what is hyperlink? Means when I am connecting one web page with another page, that is hyperlink. In HTML we had learned what is hyperlink. Means I created my HTML page and I am connecting my HTML page from one to another. At that time I will use hyperlinks. The hyperlink allows the user to navigate between the documents. Next, information retrieval. The internet is a huge storehouse of information. It is a huge, very big storehouse of information, but it is also very easy to retrieve. Very easily you can search anything and use this information as and when we want it. To access the web pages on the internet, we use a browser software. Without browser we can't access, so we need a browser software to access with internet. A browser is a program that lets you visit different websites on the net. Chrome browser by Google and Internet Explorer are the popular browsers. Locating sites using search engines. With search engines, you know what is search engines. When you want to search something, at that time we are using search engines. Now, information on the internet is found by using search engine. Here we are writing something, we are searching, then we are writing that what you want to search and we are clicking to go. Then that search engine search the data and it gives you. Now let us see what definition says. A search engine is a web service that query millions of pages on the internet and creates an index of those web pages. Internet users can then use these services to find information on the internet. To visit a site, you have to write the URL of the site in the browser or enter a keyword to search for information based on a topic. Google.com, Yahoo.com, Bing, Wikipedia.org and Amazon are popularly used search engines. The result of a web search could be a mix of web pages, images, videos, infographics, articles, research, papers and other types of files. So the search engine is a web services. That means query millions of pages are there in internet. You can search anything, means millions of pages and informations are there. From those millions of pages, that search engines find out the data and it gives to you. So with the help of browser we can't do it. We need browser. We write what we want in our URL. We will write the thing and then we will click a button. Then search engine will find the information and gives you output according to your search. Now, how search engine works? How it works? Search engines maintain real-time information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. So when the web in a Google page is designing, I don't want to take you in very deep, or I want to tell only few things about how the Google works. Google writes coding in algorithm, and you are getting information from that. Means information running an algorithm on a web crawler. So the most search engines built an index based on crawling, which is the process through which engines like Google, Yahoo and other finds new pages to index. Mechanism known as bots or spiders crawls the web looking for new pages. So the search engines run an algorithm on a web crawler so that you are getting an information in your web pages. Now, finding people on the net. There are numerous sites on the internet. We know that there are so many sites are there, and search engine help us to find the people on the internet. We can search any people by name or by address. We can find in millions of peoples are there in the internet, so we can find very easily. So these sites could help you in locating someone online as well as provide information about them, personal or professional. So you could use these sites to find out a person email ID, phone number, address or designation. If you want to find some people, you can easily find, and you can find that person email ID, phone number, address or designation. Many of these services require some registration or payment also. We know that there is payment, some process are there that you have to first register or you have to give some payment to get more details about that. Some things are free and some things are payable in internet. So the details information about that person you're trying to find, that http:/pipl.com/ https://www.linkedin.com or facebook.com and searchbug.com are some popular search engines to locate people. Now, Internet Relay Chat, IRC. IRC is a service on the internet that allows people to communicate in real time and carry on conversation via the computer with one or more people. Unlike other forms of group communication on the internet, chat is instant communication. However, both parties must be connected to the internet at the same time and running the right software. Generally, the user runs a program called client to connect to an IRC server. Once connected to an IRC server on the IRC network, the user will usually join in one or more channels, also known as chat rooms, and converse with other there. So the internet is IRC is the services which are provided by internet. You can communicate people. There are so many people those are talking their conversation. You can communicate with any people according to your time or according to your search. Internet at the same time running the right software. So the users can run a program, means you are a client, so you can connect with an IRC server where all the those who are online, you can connect with them and you can talk with them, you can communicate with them. So that is in a simple word I want to say, that is a chatting. There's so many people are online, you can chat with any of them. If you are giving a message, if that person is giving reply to you, means you both can connect it. Now you can easily chat with them. Now next is chatting. Chatting, everyone knows what is chatting, and children, you know very well, there are so many apps are there that you can chat easily with your friends, with your family members and extra. So chat programs allow users on the internet to communicate with each other by typing in real time. Online chatting refers to a real-time online transmission of the text message from sender to receiver. One is sending and one is receiving. That is a chatting, means you are typing message, you are sending, and another person is receiving, and that person receives message. After then that person again send message. Like this way chatting communication is going on with the help of text message. Apart from that, images, videos and audios are also exchanged in the chat. Chat messages are generally short in order to enable other participants to respond quickly, thereby a feel similar to a spoken conversation is created, with distinguished chatting from other text-based online communication forms such as internet forms and email. Online chat may address point-to-point communication as well as multicast communication from one sender to many receiver, like conference call. If you're giving, then you so many people are connected and you are sending and receiving messages from that person, you're talking with that person. Like this way at the time you can chat with many peoples. You will send, that person will receive message, like voice also, video chat also you can do, or maybe a features of web conferencing services also there. You can chat with web conferencing also. Some popular online sites or apps which provide chatting facilities are Google Hangouts, Skype, Snapchat and WhatsApp. There are some etc. These all are some apps you can download in your phone and you can easily chat with your friends. So thank you children. Next I will continue in next online class.